Hey guys, I hope you're hungry because today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect lobster roll. Let's get started. We're going to add some mayo to our carrots, red cabbage and green cabbage, a little lemon juice, a little white vinegar, a little sugar, just a little bit of kosher salt, and some coarse pepper. We'll mix that all up. And we'll set this aside in our fridge till we're done with the lobster rolls. Okay, the fire's going for the grill. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna prepare the bread. We'll take this huge loaf of French bread, we'll slice it into thirds. And then I slice it not all the way through, but from the top down. That's where the lobster is gonna go. And then I slice off a little bit on each side so that I can give that a toast with garlic butter on the plancha as well. We're almost ready to cook. I'm gonna start melting some butter on the plancha, squeeze a little lemon in it. Go ahead and leave a whole lemon in there. Gonna add a lot of garlic. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. That's kosher salt and coarse pepper. And then add a little green onion as well. Gonna let that all melt up. That's gonna be something that I cook the lobster rolls, the lobsters in, but I also will coat the bread with that using my mop before I give it a sear on the plancha as well. Okay, now that we've got the coleslaw done and sitting waiting for these to finish, we can focus on our lobster rolls. First thing I wanna do before we grill these, I'm gonna cut them down the back all the way, and then I stick my finger in here and I pop them up. And then you rest them on top of the shell. And that's how we'll grill them. Okay, now the lobster's ready to go. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna dip them in the garlic butter that's been cooking and warming up here on the plancha. And then I'm gonna put them on face down, give them a quick little sear, and then flip them back over to finish cooking. Then we'll chop them up and actually cook them in a pan in the butter as well. During that time, we'll take the bread that we sliced the sides off of, we'll heat those up on the plancha too and give them a nice crisp. Here we go. Smells so good already. Oh my goodness. I love doing lobster on the grill like this. And we're ready with our perfect lobster rolls. Need a quick taste before we even plate these. Oh my goodness. So good, great flavor.